Last night I received a message from DJI through the test flight app that the beta version of iOS have been updated with follow me mode. So I thought I would just shoot a short video to show you the functionality that they have been implementing. By the way, do you like my content? Then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. And while you're down there, hit the bell below. So. Now I know the approximately behavior of the drone. Let's just stop this for a second. Video settings. Yes, we are shooting in 2.7K, so that's fine. So, if I move now, the drone will follow me. You see, this is important to understand. This is not active track, so I can't mark myself on the screen. It will simply try to follow the controller. And if I want to use a pin position instead, I have the map here. So let's say that I want the drone out here somewhere. Just put a pin there. Then I can stop this mission. And again, let's put it in 20 meters, so we are 21 meters, so we're sure we do not collide with anything. So the pin is put here somewhere out in the field. And I can just go in here and press start. Then it will race to 20 meters and it will fly out and position itself relatively to the pin. So that's a very nice feature, and I can decide to move the pin and then it will simply position it again relatively to the position. Let's just get a little better camera view here. So if I want it close to me again, I can just press the pin. So we are running out of juice, so the drones come back. So this is basically what you can do with the follow me mode. You have all these options to choose from where you can modify and play around with the different settings. This feature have been available for a while in the Android version, but it's now becoming available on iOS, and it's the DJI beta app where you need to talk to the DJI support to be able to gain access to that version. Let's just move back. Don't do that. Now it needs to go down. Back home safely, no fingers cut. So this was basically, need to make sure that I don't run myself down here. And if you wonder what the white and black stripes are on the screen, those are overexposure warnings. And they will help you to set the exposure correctly on the drone. So this concluded this little demonstration of the follow me mode on iOS on the DJI beta app. Are you all tired of messing around with the Mini 1 and simply want to upgrade for the Mini 2? Then I've included purchase links in the description below where you can buy it if you're in the US, in Denmark, Scandinavian, or in the rest of Europe. In case you want to gain access to this app, then I've left a link in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around. Sådan der.